How to change battery icon emoji on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now, in order to change the battery icon emoji on Android, first of all, launch the Play Store application and search for battery emoji. You can simply select any application that is more convenient for you. I'm going to select on emoji battery status bar. So as you can see, I've already installed this. I'm going to just tap on open and it will take us to the application directly. So what you can simply do is you can just start setup over here. Tap on I agree and then agree again. So you can just tap on go to settings and here tap on accessibility button. Go back, tap on downloaded apps, tap on emoji battery status bar and toggle on this option. So when you toggle on this option, you just have to wait for a few seconds to accept it and just to further process the whole process and then tap on OK. Now go back, and as you go back you can just go to the settings or the application itself. So here you can just select whichever style is more convenient for you. You can see on the status bar you can see different ways on how you can style it, or you can change the emoji. So you can change the colors as well if you would want. If not, you can just change the style overall. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next